Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Chad Williams Fixes All. In this episode, we're going to be replacing the third brake light and bed lights on this Ford F-150. Let's get to it. So to replace these lights, the only tool you're going to need is either a flat blade screwdriver or a Torx 20 with a small extension and a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. You can catch these both in our Amazon links below, but let's go ahead and take a look and see those 4 screws that we're going to have to take out with these tools. So with your tool of choice, go ahead and start unscrewing those 4. There we go, we got all 4 of the screws out. This is what the screw looks like here. It's long, and there's that torque and the flat blade option as well. So I'm gonna take 4 of these out. Now with all 4 of those screws removed, you can go ahead and take the assembly, pull it on out. You can see all 3 of the light bulb holders. This is the outer 2 are gonna be your bed lights, the middle one's your third brake light. All you have to do to remove the bulb is to spin and then pull it straight out. A little tight, but it does come out. And then you can go ahead and take the bulb, pull it straight out, and replace it with a new one. Plug it back in, slide it back into the housing, and then spin to the right, and then it's reinstalled. To reinstall the third brake light, it's very simple. Just make sure the wire loom tucks back in, line it all up, and push it together. Make sure that the rubber gasket looks good all the way around so that we don't get no water in, and then just reinstall those 4 screws. There we go, now with the 4 screws installed, you are all set with replacing your lights. So that concludes this video on how to replace these lights. If this video helped you at all, please make sure to click like, subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other videos. Got a whole bunch out there that might be able to help you out. Until next time, thanks for watching.